I trained my AI avatar once and now it speaks for me in 30 plus languages while I sleep. I'm serious. One training session, that's it. I recorded a short video, maybe 10 minutes, and the platform used it to build a custom avatar that sounds and looks exactly like me. Now whenever I need a video, I paste in a script and it generates a professional on-brand result in minutes. No camera, no crew, no prep. But the language thing genuinely blew my mind. I've got viewers in Brazil, Germany, Japan, and my avatar speaks to each of them natively. Not robotic translation. Natural inflection, real emotion, authentic delivery. Over 100 AI influencer styles to choose from if you want to mix it up for different markets too. I used to spend entire weekends batch recording content. Now I spend 20 minutes writing scripts and the rest takes care of itself. If you're a creator who's been putting off growing globally because it felt too complicated, this removes every excuse. Hit the link below and build your avatar today.